Number 1.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, two-owner truck with 250,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a clean white exterior, and a classic blue interior that still holds up well for its age. Despite the mileage, the truck runs and drives really well, smooth, strong, and reliable. Everything on the vehicle is fully functional, including all lights, gauges, and interior components, which speaks to the care it has received over the years. As a full-size pickup from the golden era of Chevrolet trucks, this Silverado offers both utility and comfort. Whether you're looking for a dependable daily driver, a work truck, or a solid base for a restoration project, this 1990 Chevy 1500 has a lot of potential and life left in it. It's a great example of Chevrolet's legendary durability and craftsmanship.
Number 2.
1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, well-maintained classic pickup that runs and drives great with no mechanical issues whatsoever. The truck has 117,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and reliable driving experience. It features a silver exterior and a clean tan interior, giving it a timeless and appealing look. Inside, you'll find power windows, power door locks, and a working heater for added convenience. While the air conditioning currently needs a recharge, the rest of the vehicle's systems function as they should. This Chevy comes with a clean title and is ready for the road, although it will need a new set of tires soon.
It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable and classic full-size truck. Number 3.
1977 Ford F250, price $10,000, equipped with a strong 5.8-liter V8 351M engine and has approximately 113,000 miles on the odometer. The engine remains stock but has been professionally honed and bored for optimal performance. Recent upgrades make this classic truck even more reliable, including a brand new carburetor, starter, and Blue-top power steering gearbox, along with a new power steering pump and drag link to ensure smooth handling. The cooling system has been refreshed with a new radiator, while new bushings, brake lines, and brakes enhance safety and ride quality. Additional improvements include a new muffler for better exhaust flow, a new set of tires for improved traction, and a fresh battery to guarantee dependable starts. The truck also features a new air filter, new windshield wipers, and new floor mats, rounding out a well-maintained and thoughtfully updated classic pickup. This F-150 is a solid combination of originality and modern reliability, ready for both show and daily driving. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $2,400, solid running truck with 226,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a 5.7L V8 engine, and a long bed, making it ideal for hauling or work-related tasks. The truck runs and drives great, with no mechanical issues, and it drives straight with confidence on the road. The exterior is finished in off-white, while the tan interior is in excellent condition, showcasing how well the vehicle has been maintained over the years. It's equipped with power windows and comes with a clean title. There is some minor body damage on the passenger side due to a sideswipe incident after the vehicle veered slightly off the road. However, a new mirror is included, and the bodywork needed is minimal and cosmetic. Number 5.
1985 Ford F250, price $10,000. It's powered by a strong 460 big block Ford engine with long tube headers and dual Flowmaster 44 mufflers, paired to a Freddie Brown-built C6 automatic transmission. It rides on Dana 60 front and rear axles with 4.10 gears, supported by a 6-inch suspension lift and 3-inch body lift, sitting tall on military Humvee tires. The truck stops on all new brakes, and the frame is super clean. Upgrades include a new Jegs high-torque mini starter, new battery, cables, grounds, and terminals, as well as new spark plugs, MSD coil, MSD 6AL box, and MSD distributor. It also features fresh oil and filter, and an aftermarket transmission cooler with an electric fan. The fully functional dump bed adds utility to this already impressive truck, making it a solid blend of power, performance, and practicality.
Number 6.
1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,000, reliable 2WD truck powered by a strong 5.7L gasoline engine. It has traveled approximately 220,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. Recently, the transmission was completely rebuilt and remains under warranty, offering added peace of mind. While the green exterior and tan interior could use some cosmetic attention,
the truck is mechanically sound with no oil leaks. It has received several key upgrades, including a new radiator, a new alternator, new suspension components, and brand new tires. The brakes are in decent condition, and all fluids have been recently exchanged. Additionally, both the air conditioning and stereo system are in working order, making this a solid choice for someone looking for a dependable workhorse with many important updates already completed. Number 7. 1974 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,500, equipped with a numbers-matching big block 454 V8 engine. With just 92,000 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior and interior are both finished in blue, maintaining a cohesive and classic look. The truck retains its original SPID label inside the glove box and is outfitted with the Sierra trim package, which was GMC's equivalent to Chevy's Cheyenne for that year. Factory air conditioning is included, adding comfort to its vintage appeal. Recent upgrades include a new fuel tank, a new inline electric fuel pump, new wheel cylinders, and new carpet, while the original seat and seat cover remain intact, offering a nice blend of originality and refreshed components. Number 8. 1979 Ford F250, price $9,500. It features an automatic transmission and is equipped with 4WD, making it capable both on and off-road. The engine and transmission have been fully rebuilt by a reputable shop, with over $10,000 invested in recent mechanical upgrades. Enhancements include a brand new intake manifold, new carburetor, and a new camshaft, delivering an impressive 320 to 340 wheel horsepower, more than double its original output. The truck also boasts a new brake booster, master cylinder, and full brake system, ensuring confident stopping power. To keep things running cool even in the harsh Texas heat, the entire cooling system has been replaced. It rides high and aggressive on a 6-inch lift kit paired with 33-inch tires, giving it both a commanding presence and serious off-road potential. Number 9. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500, reliable full-size pickup truck with 224,000 miles on the odometer. It features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and is powered by a dependable V6 gasoline engine. The truck runs great and comes with a clean title. It has a gold exterior paired with a clean black interior, creating a classic and timeless look. The Sierra sits on stylish new 18-inch rims with good tires, giving it a confident stance on the road. Additional highlights include a fully functioning air conditioning system, making it comfortable to drive in any weather. Overall, it's a well-maintained truck that's ready to go. Number 10. 1971 Chevrolet C20, price $6,000. It features a green exterior, black interior, and a 350 V8 engine equipped with summit heads, an aluminum Edelbrock intake, a newer Edelbrock carb, new HEI distributor, plugs, and wires. The engine has fresh oil and a filter, and delivers smooth, powerful performance. It's paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission that shifts great. A fresh set of long tube headers and a brand new dual exhaust system with an X-pipe and 2 mufflers give it a deep, aggressive sound. The body is straight but shows some rust in the usual areas for these trucks. It runs and drives well, runs on gasoline, and comes with a clean title in hand.